Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how WHOIS can be used for footprinting and DNS footprinting. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Gathering network related information such as WHOIS information of the target organization is very important when hacking system. Okay, so now we will discuss WHOIS footprinting. Okay, WHOIS footprinting focus on how to perform a WHOIS lookup, analyzing the WHOIS lookup result and the tools to gather WHOIS information. Okay, so now see what is WHOIS lookup. Okay, WHOIS is query and response protocol used for querying databases that store the register users or assign of an internet resource such as domain name, IP addresses block or autonomous system. Okay, WHOIS database are maintained by the regional internet registries and contain the personal information of domain owners. Okay, they maintain record is called lookup table that contains all the information associated with the particular network, domain and host. Okay, anyone can connect and query to this server to get information about the particular network, domain and host. Okay, an attacker can send the queries to the appropriator WHOIS servers to obtain the information about the target domain name, contact details of its owner, expiry dates and creation date and etc. Okay, so WHOIS server will respond to the query with respective information. Then the attacker can use this information to create a map of the organization network, trick domain owners with social engineering. Once he or she can gets the contact details and then get internal data of the network. Okay, so this is the WHOIS lookup. Next, WHOIS lookup result analysis. Okay, WHOIS lookup can be performed using WHOIS service such as whois.domaintools.com or centralloops.net/co. Okay, here you can see the result analysis of an WHOIS lookup obtained with two mentioned WHOIS services. Okay, both these services allow you to perform the WHOIS lookup by entering the target domain or IP addresses. Okay, the domaintool.com service provide WHOIS information such as registrant information, email administrative contact information and created and expiry date, list of domain servers and etc. Okay, and next, domain available at centralloops.net/co. It gives address lookup, domain WHOIS records, network WHOIS record and DNS record information. Okay, next is WHOIS lookup tool. Which tool? Smart WHOIS tool. Okay, Smart WHOIS is useful network information utility that allow you to look up all the available information about an IP addresses, host name or domain, including country, state or city, name of the network provider, administrator and technical support contact information. Okay, it also assists you in finding the owners of the domain and the owner contact information, the owner of the IP addresses block, registry date of the domain and etc. Okay, so this is the Smart WHOIS tool. Okay, next, DNS footprinting. Okay, DNS means domain name system. Okay, in DNS footprinting, extracting DNS information. Okay, DNS footprinting allow you to obtain information about DNS zone data. Okay, this DNS zone data includes DNS domain name, computer names, IP addresses and much more about a particular network. Okay, the attacker perform DNS footprinting on the target network in order to obtain the information about DNS, Okay, he or she then uses the gather DNS information to the determine key host in the network and then perform social engineering attack to gather more information. Okay, DNS footprinting can be performed using DNS interrogation tool such as www.dnsstuff.com. Okay, by using this site www.dnsstuff.com, it is possible to extract DNS information about IP addresses, mail server extension, DNS lookup, who is lookup, and etc. Okay, if you want information about target company, it is possible to extract its range of IP addresses utilizing the IP routing lookup of DNS stuff. Okay, if the target network allow unknown unauthorized users to transfer DNS zone data, then it is easy for you to obtain the information about the DNS with the help of the DNS interrogation tool. Okay, you can send the queries using the DNS interrogation tool to the DNS server. Okay, the server will respond you with the record structure that contain information about the target DNS. Okay, DNS record provides important information about the location and type of server. Okay, so first is A. A means point to host IP addresses. Okay, next MX point to domain mail server. Okay, next NS point to host name server. Next CNAME canonical naming allows aliases to a host. Okay, next is SOA indicate authority for domain. Okay, next is SRV, it means service records. Okay, next is PTR. PTR means maps IP addresses to a host name. Okay, next is RP. RP means responsible person. Okay, next is HINFO. Okay, host information record includes CPU type and OS. OS means operating system. Okay, so these records provide important information about location and type of server. Okay, so thank you for watching.